How to create tables on Google Spreadsheet. Now, good news, because Google just recently updated a new feature, which is introducing the tables. Now, first things first, to make that, you have to open docs.google.com/spreadsheet so you can start over with your project. Now, if you want, you can manually enter informations here as columns, and once you're done, you go to Format and you go ahead to Convert to Table. Now, they also have pre-made features or pre-made templates. You can try a blank table, you can try an event task table, a project task, a content tracker. Let's go ahead and try to check the blank table first. Here, you can rename column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. You can edit the column type as numbers, text, date, drop down, checkbox, or smart chips. You can sort out the column, you can add filters, and you can also group the columns. So that is how you can create tables with Google Spreadsheet.